All right, guys, man, I just want to do a quick intro. I didn't get to do one yesterday. Me and my dad went fishing yesterday afternoon. It was his birthday, so I asked him if he wanted to go fishing afterwards. So we went for about 2 hours or so to a local pond down the road from the house. Took my John boat. There's that video on it about the Alumacraft 1436 that I decked out, and that video is actually 2 years old now, so it's got a lot of views, man. She has been rode hard and put up wet. But anyway, just want to do an intro. I probably caught my PB yesterday, but I did not have my scales with me, my Connect scales, and never got a weight on her. I was going to make some kind of makeshift stringer and try to run to the house and get it, but I put her on 50-pound braid and went and tied up to a log, and she still got off. She made a hard run, pop, come off. So you'll see a little bit of footage of her, and after we get out of the boat, that's it, because I lost her. So tough break. I mean, I know she was a pig, man, and I've caught my PB that I know of is 8 pounds 12 ounces, and if she was not bigger than her, she was every bit the same size. So it is what it is. Hopefully I'll get a shot at another one. I did lose another one that my dad seen real good. It's probably 5 or 6, but whatever. If anybody's interested, it'll probably be sold before anybody really sees this. I don't know, depends on how long it's gonna take. But my kayak right here, man, I got this thing last year. I won it at the Bassmaster Classic from Marty Zoffinger. Everybody needs to check his YouTube channel out if you hadn't. Zoffinger's. But it's a 2018 Pelican Catch 120. I bought a paddle for it. It's got a anchor trolley on it, put on the seats in the building. But man, I've maybe used this thing 4 or 5 times. Once on a lake. The other times I've been at that pond we was fishing yesterday. But and I got a life jacket for it as well. NRS Chinook. I mean, that's a nice, expensive life jacket. So anyway, enjoy the video. I'll catch y'all later. Thanks. There's one. He's little. I mean, look at that brim.
I think I'm gonna have to go that close.
Good gracious, that's a big old brim. Oh, he swallowed that hook too, son. I mean, he got that whole hook in his mouth. Good brim. They like shad too. First one on it. Oh, look at that little bass. Oh man, he's fighting hard. Oh yeah. On the Ned rig jig. Little baby. Barely. I stopped it and he hit it.
This thing won't dive at all.
That's a wake bait. Dives 0 to 1 foot, I think. Time to switch. Can't use the crankbait back here. Two. God almighty. I hope that was on camera. God almighty. That was awesome. He spit it out. Get him. Small?
Yeah. No.
Good one.
Yeah. You got it on camera?
Yeah. It's decent. 2-pounder. Sweet. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yep. This feels like a better one. I mean, I ain't seen this big. Better than what them other ones have been. No, maybe not. Oh God, they just fight so hard, man. He's on that stump over there. Another little one.
I caught one.
Oh yeah, that's, oh man, dude, they together too. Oh,
God, that's a big one.
is it?
That's a big one. You're a kid.
No.
Hey,
What?
5-6 pounds.
Hmm. Story of my life.
Hey, look at that dead tree down there.
Yeah.
These are some good eating fish size right here.
They stout today. Little one. Makes me sick. I should have one that's twice the size of that piece of crap right there. Uh-oh. Oh God, I watched him come up and smammer it. Oh man. Yep. I don't think it's real big, but it ain't wanting to come up. Oh, it's a good one.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Oh, he's foul hooked. That's why. You might want to sit down for a minute.
Get this in.
because I'm gonna try to get this booger in. He ain't wanting to come. Look at him. Hold on. Look at that.
How come you ain't measuring his fish? Oh my gosh. He is a good one.
Yeah.
Here.
Hold on. He going down again. Oh, I'm gonna get him. He's right. Oh my God. No, hold on. Oh my God, dude.
Holy crap.
Oh my God.
Get him over the top of the boat.
I got him in. Oh my God. That might be a PB.
You got your scales?
No, it's at the house.
You always bring your scales.
No, I do got it. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Golly.
Oh my God.
Anthony, how can you not have your scales, son?
Here, hold it.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think he's my PB, but look at him. Good God, show him.
Look at the belly on that thing.
Holy crap. Let me put him in the water. Go drive. Alright. God knows.
Don't move yet.
Nope. That'd be good. Here, hold her. I want to check. Make sure. It's at the house. God almighty. Alright, I'll be back. Huh? There it is. Finally. Another one. That's that fish I saw earlier right there. Good God almighty. I don't know if there's a bed there or what, but my Lord.
Roger, you ain't never caught fish on it?
Yep.
Can't see it now.
Nope. Look at it's a favorite white bird. Oh man, this thing's a little limber. I'm not used to it yet. Second best fish of the day. She wasn't coming off. On the Guggen baits. Fatty.